I have a Roku Streambar here. I'm going to show you two ways that you can perform a factory reset. Okay, the first way we're going to go through the settings. The second way, we won't need the remote. We're going to use the button on the back of the Roku Streambar itself. So first way is going through the settings. So just click on your home button, get on the home screen, and then you want to go down to settings, move over to the right, and now we want to go all the way down to system right there. And now go ahead and move over to the right again, and then this time we want to go down to advanced system settings right there, move over to the right, there's factory reset, move over to the right one more time, and you have to input the 4-digit code they give to you. Okay, so as soon as you input that, you click on OK, give it about 1 minute, and it'll perform the factory reset. Now the second way to do a factory reset is you don't need to use the remote, but there's a button on the back of your stream bar. Okay, there's a reset button right here. Now the thing is, if you just press it and let go, it's only going to restart your stream bar. So what you want to do is press and hold. Press and hold. Do not let go until we see the Roku logo appear. Okay, so we'll do it together. Reset button here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Do not let go. I'm still holding. Just waiting for a Roku logo to appear. Still holding. There it is. Go ahead and let go and give us 1 second to boot up, and we should be at the setup screen as if we just bought this brand new and took it out of the box. So give it 1 second here. All right, looks like the TV is restarting now. And voila. Questions, issues? Comment below. Good luck.